Welcome, Anaga. Congratulations for the wonderful marks that you have achieved in the CBSE 2025 board examination. So, can you share with all the students that how many marks you have scored in all the subjects and the percentage?
Starting with science, I scored 99. In maths, I scored 97. In Sanskrit, I scored 100. In social science, I scored 97. And in English, I scored 96.
Oh,
In AI, I scored 99.
99, very good. Without wasting much time, मतलब what was your strategy? How you studied? Especially we will focus on science and then later on last में you can tell about the other subjects also so that everybody who's here will get to know about everything. तो सिंस स्टार्टिंग आपने शुरुआत से जैसे आपका अप्रैल में व्हेन यू एंटर्ड इनटू द 10th स्टैंडर्ड आपका क्या स्ट्रैटेजी था हाउ यू प्लान
So from the day one, I had the goal to achieve above 95 percentage. From April 1st, which was the starting day of our school, I studied very consistently. In the beginning itself, I did not study for 6 hours or 8 hours. I started with 2 hours a day. So I completely devoted 2 hours for self study itself. Then at the end, in the last 3 months, I studied very consistently and very dedicated. Like I extended 2 hours to 6 hours
oh so
daily
daily 2 hours you used to give for science or for every subject you have divided the time in such a manner
for every subject, like main subjects. Especially, I was very scared of SST,
oh
so I devoted extra time for SST.
फॉर एस एस टी ओके सो डेली आपने 2 घंटा सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को दिया बट हाउ डिड यू गॉट टाइम मतलब इतना सारा टाइम क्योंकि आई हैव सीन जनरली बच्चों का यही एक मेजर टाइम इशू रहता है कि मैम हम कोचिंग जाते हैं हम ट्यूशन जाते हैं हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है तो आपको 2 घंटा डेली डिवोट करने का टाइम कहाँ से मिला
I did not opt for any coaching or any tuitions.
ओह
So I used to manage 2 hours in that
okay
way.
so you completely relied on the self study and whatever you were studying in the school
Yes.
ओके ओके तो आपका स्पेसिफिकली साइंस में स्ट्रैटेजी क्या था मतलब कैसे आपने साइंस कवर किया फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी यू कैन शेयर एवरीथिंग विद दी अदर्स जेन्यून स्ट्रैटेजी
Yeah. So I completely relied upon NCRT for science. I did not use any other resources. But like when the board exams were approaching, I used board papers like PYQs.
कितने दिन कितने
Generally,
साल कितने महीने पहले आपने पी वाई क्यूज करना शुरू किया
like when my pre-boards were about to start in the month of November. From November, I completely relied on PYQs.
ओके ओके सो हाउ डिड यू गो अबाउट विद ईच सब्जेक्ट जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हो तो आपने कैसे उन चैप्टर्स को पढ़ा कहाँ कहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंस दिया नोट्स कैसे बनाए
Like notes, what you were giving in the class, I used to rely upon that. I did not make any specific
ओके
notes, but I used for a formula book, writing all the formulas and chemical equations, which helped me in revising the
सो यू
concepts.
मेड योर ओन बुकलेट ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज
Yeah.
शॉर्ट पॉइंट्स एंड ऑल जो आप रिवीजन के टाइम पे यूज़ करते थे ओके एंड कम्प्लीटली एन सी आर टी से आपने पढ़ाई की है एंड हाउ यूज टू
And
गो
I,
हाँ हाँ यस
I also required NCRT exemplar in the gap days.
ओके
Yeah.
अच्छा एग्जाम्स के बीच में जो गैप डेज थे या फिर प्री बोर्ड के बाद
No, like board exam gap days.
ओके तो एट वॉट टाइम और ऑन विच मंथ यू हैव completed योर पोर्शंस ऑल साइंस का चैप्टर कब तक पूरा हो गया था आपका
Before my first pre-board, November.
Acha, by November you have completed all one study or two, three times you have already revised before that?
Maximum 2 times I had revised, but I didn't solve any PYQs.
Okay,
Like,
so that you did after the first pre-board.
yes, yes.
ओके वेरी गुड तो बहुत ही सिंपल स्ट्रैटेजी है आपकी राइट आप सिर्फ जो क्लास में पढ़ाया यू रिलाइड ऑन दैट एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट आपने सिर्फ एन सी आर टी पढ़ा एंड मिनिमम यू हैव केप्ट योर रिसोर्सेज मिनिमम कुछ ऑनलाइन नहीं पढ़ा किसी
No, like when I had doubts, I referred to like some YouTube channels, but I did not like any of them. So
ओके
I completely like relied on
you
self-study
didn't
itself.
ended up liking any of them
No.
okay and good yaar see what I feel is self study is the most important thing if you are able to do the self study properly eventually आपका 50% काम तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा right and wherever you are having doubt you refer to the various sources as you said very good अच्छा, और फिर मुझे ये जानना था कि कोई रेफरेंस मटेरियल आपने एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर के अलावा यूज़ किया था या फिर सिर्फ एनसीईआरटी एंड एडिशनल के लिए एग्जाम्पलर एंड पीवाईक्यूज?
I referred only board papers, like from 2019. Even the sample papers which were released by CBSE,
ओके.
I referred
ओके.
because I feel in reference books, the like publishing committee takes the questions from CBSE board papers itself. So board papers are more authentic and reliable.
Yeah, that is very true. Yeah, because what generally I have seen students they do is they buy lots of sample paper booklets. एंड उन बुकलेट्स में जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो क्वेश्चंस किसी ने फ्रेम करके डाले हैं, वो सीबीएसई बोर्ड के क्वेश्चंस नहीं होते हैं. देयर विल बी सम क्वेश्चंस जो बोर्ड्स के होते हैं, तो स्टूडेंट्स दे एंड अप वेस्टिंग मोर टाइम इन रीडिंग एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स. सो इट वाज अ
Yeah.
वेरी गुड स्ट्रैटेजी. देन अगर मतलब व्हाट वाज द गेम चेंजर फॉर यू? तुमने जो किया वो शायद तुम्हारे किसी फ्रेंड ने भी किया होगा, तुम्हारी स्ट्रैटेजी किसी और से भी मैच कर रही है, तो आपके साथ ऐसा क्या गेम चेंजर था दैट एंडेड अप गेटिंग यू 99 मार्क्स इन साइंस?
Game changer, I would say, even like when my second pre-boards were over, I started feeling very demotivated because I didn't end up scoring as much as I expected. So even I started feeling demotivated. But then once I started referring the CBSE board papers, I think that was the game changer for me because I solved more than 20 or 30 papers.
Oh, 20 or 30 papers you have solved after a second pre-board.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So that was the major thing that you did. And what about the answers? How did you got the answers?
Answers like answer key, which marking scheme with
Marking scheme.
CBSE.
Okay, very good, very good. And did you read NCRT line by line or overview?
Line by I have read NCRT more than 8 or 9 times. I would
Oh.
confident.
Very good. So where did you lose that 1 mark? What do you feel?
Yes, ma'am. That is what I suggest the juniors also. Like they have to analyze each and every activity very properly. I lost 1 mark in MCQ, which was identifying the electrodes, whether it was anode or a cathode. I guess I didn't pay much attention to the diagrams. So in coming years, CBSE may ask even which type of anode or which type of electrode is it. So maybe they have to focus more on analyzing the diagrams.
And the diagrams which are specifically there in the NCRT, because जो भी आएगा NCRT से आएगा.
Yes,
जो भी डायग्राम्स भी आएंगे वो भी एनसीईआरटी से पिक किए जाएंगे, तो आपको एनसीईआरटी को ही एम्फोसाइज करना है. तो क्रक्स इज दी एनसीईआरटी, राइट? एंड एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है साइंस से रिलेटेड. जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं, सब टॉपर नहीं होते हैं, सब अच्छा मार्क्स नहीं स्कोर करते हैं. देयर आर सर्टेन स्टूडेंट्स जो स्लो होते हैं, थोड़े वीक होते हैं, तो उनको तुम क्या सजेस्ट करोगे कि वो भी मतलब बहुत अच्छा कर सके एंड दे ऑल्सो गेट गुड मार्क्स?
My one suggestion would be if you are not able to decode NCRT, I would refer to like make notes from a very trusted website. For example, there are many websites and many YouTube channels. At the end, even I also started feeling when everybody was referring to the videos, why am I not referring? So if they prefer to study from online, I would suggest them to do intense research. Like which teacher are they understanding very good from? So they can refer to YouTube videos or ask the teachers, their subject teachers, without any hesitation. Because even one doubt can lead to losing of 1 mark in board exams.
Yes, very
So
good.
making short notes would help weak students to score better ranks.
Good. मतलब कि they should not follow what everybody is following. They should follow what they are understanding from the sources जिनसे उनको समझ में आ रहा है. वो सोर्स इतना ज़्यादा वैसा नहीं हो सकता है, पब्लिक या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर नहीं हो सकता है. एंड दैट सोर्स इज इट शुड नॉट बी somebody who is online or somebody who is on YouTube. It can be anybody. It can be their parents if they are understanding, if they know science, उनको उनसे समझ में आ रहा है, वो उनसे पढ़ सकते हैं. उनके स्कूल के जो टीचर्स हैं वो उनसे पढ़ सकते हैं. जो उनके लिए कंफर्टेबल है दैट दे कैन यूज़, राइट? नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू, आपने मैथ्स कैसे किया? बिकॉज यू हैव स्कोर्ड सो गुड इन मैथ्स एंड सोशल. तो आप थोड़ा सा अपने बाकी सब्जेक्ट का भी स्ट्रैटेजी बता दो.
Yes. For maths also, I followed NCRT and NCRT exemplar in the gap days because I had 10 days for maths. Sorry, 13 days gap for maths. As I had opted
one
for
question I
Sanskrit.
have. Did you read R.D. Sharma?
No, ma'am. I don't even know how the outer cover looks like of R.D. Sharma.
Because I have seen students, they will be roaming here and there with that mota R.D. Sharma wala book. They will be trying to, I don't know, remember things from the RD Sharma. Why? I don't understand.
Ma'am, if you're not able to solve any one question, you will start demotivated. I did not want that to happen with me. So I only went for NCRT exemplar and NCRT plus 30 to 40 board papers.
Okay, okay, very good. And then for social, as you
For
said, you
social,
were afraid of social, and but still you got very good marks in social.
social nowadays CBSE is asking very twisted MCQs. So that is the reason I guess I could not score 100 as I expected. So for social also I only referred NCRT, but there are some difficult chapters for social like minerals and energy resources in geography. I felt geography especially very difficult because there was so much to memorize. Like it was very vast syllabus. So I would suggest to follow the timeline. Like in history, they can go for timeline. There are many websites in Google. They can refer to the timeline for history. For geography, they can go for short notes again from any trusted website, which they feel comfortable with. And for civics, NCRT is the main key. It is the very core resource. And for economics, also NCRT. Economics is a very scoring subject. So
And
NCRT is,
I guess it is easier also in comparison to history and geography.
yes, very.
Good, good. And what about English? Many students, they end up scoring good marks in all the main subjects, but they lose marks in English.
Even I was scared of that. English also. So for English also, I only followed NCRT and I referred to some YouTube videos for English because we had English communicative, which was deleted about 10 years. Every school had English language and literature, but we had English communication. So I referred to YouTube videos for English.
Okay, so you referred YouTube videos for the chapter ka summary and for those things or for other things also?
Only for chapter summary and all.
Okay,
That's
okay.
it.
For easy concept clarity, you have taken the help of certain YouTube videos. Okay, very good, Anaga. And as a teacher who has taught you, what I would say is, which can help other students is, the one good thing about you was you were highly dedicated and extremely sincere throughout the year. You were among the students जो रोज स्कूल आता था. अगर टीचर ने आपको कुछ ऐसा बताया तो यू यूज टू ट्रस्ट योर टीचर्स, right? And you followed. I have seen you like in the entire year you used to come and ask questions. और अगर आपको बताया है कि ये सोर्स प्रेफर करना है, रेफर करना है, तो यू यूज टू स्टिक टू दैट स्पेसिफिक रिसोर्सेज एंड सोर्सेज rather than what other students of your class were doing. मतलब some students, they were not ready to listen. They were more interested into what their coaching people are teaching them, what somebody on the online source is teaching them. But I never saw that with you. You were always sincere and dedicated till the end day of the school. 99%, as I have already said, your 99% is your hard work that you did, and the rest is the dedication and the sincerity that you have towards the subject that you are studying. So I'm very, very proud of you, Anaga. Very good. Keep it up.
Thank you so much.
Hopefully score similarly like this in your upcoming exams, whatever you want to do. If you want to crack JEE or NEET or whatever you are planning, I wish to see you on the top always.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Thank you so much.